Have you ever felt like your brain is your own worst enemy? Like it's constantly feeding you negative thoughts that just pull you down? Well, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to dive into the dark side of negative thinking and reveal how it's not just an emotional roller coaster, but it's actually reinforcing faulty neurological connections in your brain. Negative thinking can sometimes feel like a spiral that's hard to escape. Thoughts like "I can't do this," or "it's never going to end, I'm not good enough," or "this thing's only happened to me" start to feel like facts rather than just fleeting feelings. But here's the kicker. Every time you think these thoughts, your brain is laying down neural pathways, essentially making it easier for you to think negatively in the future. It's kind of like walking through a field of tall grass. The first time you walk through, you have to push your way. But walk the same path enough times, and a clear track forms, making it the path of least resistance. Similarly, when you repeatedly engage in negative thinking, your brain starts to use that neural pathway more and more, making it the default route for your thoughts. Now let's talk science. This process is based on a concept known as neuroplasticity, which means that our brains are moldable, positive or negative. The type of thoughts we nurture can alter the physical structure of our brains. Negative thoughts tend to activate the amygdala, the part of your brain involved in experiencing fear and anxiety. So how do we combat this? The first step is awareness. Recognizing that these thoughts are not facts is crucial. They are merely neural pathways that your brain has become accustomed to taking, and like any path, they can be redirected. Practices like mindfulness and positive affirmations can help create new, healthier neural pathways. Every time you challenge a negative thought or replace it with a positive one, you're essentially bushwhacking a new, more positive path through your mental landscape. Remember, changing thought patterns won't happen overnight, but with consistent effort, you can start to weaken those negative pathways and strengthen the positive ones. It's all about creating a new default for your brain. So next time you catch yourself spiraling down the path of negative thinking, pause, acknowledge the thought, challenge it, and replace it with something positive. You have the power to reshape your brain, and in doing so, perhaps reshape your entire life. Let's embrace the challenge together. Can you imagine the possibilities if we all started thinking a little more positively? Let's find out.